You're fishing?
And like fish.
That's your fish?
Yeah.
You can cast it all by yourself? Oh, wow. How'd you learn how to do that?
My grandma has my fish and put it right there.
Yeah?
And catch that fish like this and put it in.
You're a good fisher, man.
And
Let me see you cast it. Come on. Oh, that was a good one. Is it stuck? Where'd it go? I think it's behind you. I think it's up. Look up. Oh, there it is. Oh, that was good. Reel it in. Look how far it went. All the way to the door?
yeah.
All right, pull your rod up. Pull it up. Pull it up. Pull it to the side. Pull it towards the bathroom. You want some help? Is it stuck?
Yeah.
Okay.